if I was to do this, I could probably solve this in about between 5 and 10 minutes, right?
Right.
But I want to do it. I'll do it faster. Okay. Watch. 1, 2, 3.
Cool.
Look.
Nice.
Now, how I did that effect in the bar, it's not through camera effects or camera editing, but it is through some sort of trickery. It's actually thanks to a really great effect from Murphy's Magic called Cube 3 by Steven Brundage. I usually don't post reviews on this channel, but I mean, I love this thing so much, I just had to share about it. There are other cube effects out there on the market, but if I had to pick one, it would definitely be Cube 3. Why? Because, you know, look, after you do the effect, ends up completely clean. I mean, I can hand out this cube to a spectator, they can examine it all they want, they won't see anything unusual about it. It's not a trick cube, there's no gimmicks involved, no other gimmicks, so that just makes it just a little more devious. So the catch is you have to know how to solve a cube. That's a prerequisite before you start learning the magic. But if you've never solved a cube, don't worry, neither did I. It comes with a video tutorial teaching you how to do that. And it's really well done, and with practice, you'll be able to do it too. And then you can move on to the next tutorial teaching you several magic routines, a couple of which are my favorites that I'll show you right here.